Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is today I'm gonna talking about a really good application that I really use in daily life. This application is calling a Clubhouse, the Clubhouse application. It's only based on iOS devices, but the creators launched the Android test, and it's only based on USA. So if you live in USA, you can really download this application with no problem. But the iOS devices, it's the worldwide international, and it's really good application. This application is an invitation only social media. That means you need to get an invitation link from a friend or your company or whatever your business to get this application running on your phone. So this application, as I said, is an invitation only application, and also this Clubhouse app, it's based on audio format. So that means this rooms and this chat and this communications, it's based on audio. It's like a radio station when people, but the difference between the radio and this application is like you can integrate with the chat. Yeah, you can say whatever you think is good for this chat room. You can participate on running your own chat room, talking your expertise, your experiments, your business, you're talking about a lot of things that you think you are good on. So as I said, this you can create many communication chat room, and also it's a host live discussion. So that means you can discuss with the real time other people. So you can integrate interest and many other things that I really love in this application. So the creator of Clubhouse said that this application is a new social media product. So that means it's still new, still fresh. You need to integrate with, and you have to take the chance that really good application. So here you can, like you see, you can follow many people that you think they are the same, they have the same interests as yours, they have the same business as yours, they have the same products as yours. You can take a look and see what they say, and see what they have, and see what they talking about, see a lot of things, a lot of following. It's like other social media, but it's related to like grow your knowledge, grow your interest. So as I say here, you can also find a lot of conversation about your interests if you are liking identity arts or life businesses or everything. You have a lot of things to see here. So as I say, this application is based on an invitation, so you have to get an invitation link. As mine, I get it from a friend that already know about Clubhouse, and she sent me a link from her phone that mentioned my own number phone. So you have to make sure to use your number phone to get the application running. So I think we have many other features right here, and we're gonna talking about this feature in the next video. So stay tuned and have a good